Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of my restaurant front end website. My name is Taranume and I am an intern student at Avishkar Tech Solutions. I have done this front end project using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and some of the libraries like responsive CSS libraries, plugins libraries, font libraries and so on. This is the retro landing page of the Paradise restaurant. This is a background image, we call it as our hero background image. And this is our transparent fixed navigation bar menu. I have used a over underline effect in this navbar using CSS, and we are having a total of 6 sections: home, about us, blog, menu, news, contacts. In this home section, here this slider, we call it as carousel, and you can download these images of any size freely from unsplash.com website. Next, moving to about us section, here I have given some information about the best chef of the Paradise restaurant, and here in this information I have used a fade in up animation effect with some delay in time like 400 ms. Next, moving to the blog section, here I have used fade in left animation effect with some delay in time like 300 ms, so that we can see our images and contents are moving from left to right. And also you can see whenever I hover to an image, it's zooming. It's called a CSS transform property. I have styled this by giving transform with the scale 1.5, means 150% of zoom. And at the last of this blog section, I have designed a button that is bouncing. It's called a bouncing animation effect, and also I have given some style in delay of time. Next, moving to the menu section, here also I have used a fade in up animation effect, and also I have designed a button that is bouncing. It's called bouncing animation effect. Next, moving to the news section, where we can see subscribe to the newsletter. I have given an input box where we can write our email and we can subscribe. Next, moving to the contact section, here you can see a form with the 3 inputs box: name, email and message, where we can write feedback messages about the restaurant or any messages, and we can send using this button. And here you can see some contact information about a restaurant like phone number, address and email address. And these icons I have designed using FA phone, FA map marker and FA envelope. And it is our small gallery of foods. It's our latest blog post, and we are having a 3 social buttons, linking buttons. I have designed with a FA Facebook, FA LinkedIn and FA Instagram with some CSS style. It's a Facebook button. It's redirecting me to the page, and it's our LinkedIn button, and it's our Instagram button. It is designed and developed by me, and you can go to my website from here. It's an anchor tag and you can visit my website. I'm so grateful that I'm working as an intern at Avishkar Tech Solution, and especially I'm enjoying the training. I thank Avishkar for this internship opportunity. Nishchal sir and Prachi ma'am, I'm grateful to have you as my trainers, and also I thank Sunil sir for motivating me. As a result of this experience, I am more excited than ever to pursue a career in this web development field. Thank you Avishkar for this incredible internship.